Exercise 2.6, question number 2. If z equal to x plus iy is a complex number such that imaginary part of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0, show that the locus of z is 2x square plus 2y square plus x minus 2y equal to 0. Given z equal to x plus iy and imaginary part of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0. Consider this 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1. In the place of z, substitute x plus iy. 2 into x plus iy plus 1 divided by ix, I into x plus iy plus 1. Multiplying by 2, 2x plus 2iy plus 1 divided by ix plus I square y. I square is minus 1. So, ix minus y plus 1. Rearranging. That is 1 is real part, is you combine with 2x. 2x plus 1 plus 2iy divided by 1 minus y plus ix. Now, to simplify, multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. 2x plus 1 plus 2iy divided by 1 minus y plus ix into conjugate is 1 minus y minus ix. Now multiply the numerator. First term with second term with first term, second term with second term. 2x plus 1 into 1 minus y minus ix into 2x plus 1 plus 2iy into 1 minus y plus 2xy divided by 1 minus y the whole square plus x square. Now by problem, the problem it is given imaginary part of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0. So take the imaginary part and equate to 0. Imaginary part, that is the term with I, that is minus x into 2x plus 1 plus 2y into 1 minus y by 1 minus y the whole square plus x square. Imaginary part equal to 0. Cross multiply, here multiplying minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square, here cross multiplying 0. Minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square equal to 0. Multiply throughout by minus sign. 2x square plus x minus 2y plus 2y square equal to 0. Therefore, locus of z is 2x square plus 2y square plus x minus 2y equal to 0. Hence, proved. Next, question number 3. Obtain the Cartesian form of locus of z equal to x plus iy in each of the following cases. First one, real part of iz the whole square equal to 3. Given z equal to x plus iy, first let us find the value of iz. Iz equal to I, substituting for z, x plus iy. Multiply by I, ix plus I square y. I square is minus 1. So this is equal to ix minus y. Rewriting, this is minus y plus ix. Now in the question you are given real part of iz. Real part of iz. Real part is minus y. Now given real part of iz, the whole square equal to 3. Substitute for iz. Real part of iz minus y. Minus y the whole square equal to 3. Y square equal to 3. Therefore, locus of z is y square equal to 3. Next, second subdivision. Imaginary part of 1 minus I into z plus 1 equal to 0. Consider this term alone. 1 minus I into z plus 1. Substituting for z, 1 minus I into x plus iy plus 1. Multiplying x plus iy minus ix minus I square y plus 1. I square is minus 1, so this become plus. X plus iy minus ix plus y plus 1. Combining the real part and imaginary part, x plus y plus 1 plus I into y minus x. After simplification, now in the problem it is given imaginary part of 1 minus I into z plus 1 equal to 0. Imaginary part. Here the imaginary part is y minus x. Y minus x equal to 0. Therefore, locus of z is y minus x equal to 0. Yes. Next, third subdivision. Modulus of z plus I equal to modulus of z minus 1. Substituting for z, modulus x plus iy plus I equal to modulus x plus iy minus 1. Modulus x, there are two I terms, imaginary part, so combining, taking I outside, I into y plus 1 equal to modulus x minus 1 plus iy. Now finding modulus on both sides. Modulus is square root of x square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to square root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. To remove square root on both sides, squaring on both sides, x square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. Expanding, we get x square plus y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square. Cancel x square on both sides, y square on both sides. 1 also get cancelled. So we get 2y equal to minus 2x. 2 cancel. Y equal to minus x. Taking minus x left side, x plus y equal to 0. Therefore, locus of z is x plus y equal to 0. Fourth subdivision, z bar equal to z inverse. Z bar equal to z inverse can be written as 1 by z. Substituting for z. X plus iy whole bar equal to 1 by x plus iy. Conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy equal to 1 by x plus iy. Cross multiplying x minus iy into x plus iy equal to 1. So here multiplying x square plus y square equal to 1. Therefore, locus of z is x square plus y square equal to 1.